This is very interesting problem that I think you will enjoy. You have a blue ball and a green ball rushing towards each other with a momentum of same magnitude but in opposite direction. They collide and half of the kinetic energy is lost, and the blue ball get deflected by an angle of 25 degrees. Blue ball is heavier by 30%. Initial velocity of the green ball is given, and you are asked to find the velocity of blue ball after the collision. You may like to pause the video and like to solve yourself. I have to proceed. Let me give you one more hint. This is a center of mass frame, as the initial momentum of the blue ball is equal and opposite to that of green. The center of mass frame is special since you get a great simplification related to momentum. Can you see how the final momentum must be? Try to pause the video and see if you can figure it out. I will have to continue. Let's write the equations. The first is the kinetic energy equation. The total initial kinetic energy is on the left-hand side, and the final kinetic energy is on the right-hand side. We did not write half in each term, which will be anyway cancelled. We write UG in green to indicate that it is given in the question, and we show VB in red to indicate it is being asked. In the center of mass frame, the initial total momentum is 0. The final total momentum is 0. This gives a great simplification. Now you have to just substitute the velocity that we are not interested in and get the answer. I may add that you may also introduce a factor alpha when solving the equation. You may still like to pause this video as it is fun to do the math and get the answer as shown. Let me proceed in the next slide to solve it. We rewrite the set of equation from previous slide and reduce it by introducing alpha. Then it is easy and we solve it for VB and get the answer. It is interesting to note that the deflection angle in the center of mass frame could have been anything, as the final answer does not depend on scattering angle. I hope you have enjoyed this problem. That is all for now. Bye bye.